We are here with Victoria. Let me see that root, girl. We're going to do a root touch-up on her today and then tone her to perfection. Are you ready?
Yes!
Perfect. With any of my clients, I always find out where their part is, and I actually start on the other side of their part and then move forward this way because I want to make sure that this is being processed first when I'm doing her hair. When I'm sectioning with my bleach on the roots, I always take the section first, hold the section, and then pat the bleach. Not swipe the bleach, pat the bleach. I section my bleach on the roots. I always grab a very fine, thin section before I hold the hair taut, and then I pat the bleach on the roots. So it's fully saturated. Any of these little hairs that come through, I take them with my fingertips and I level them out so they can dry out. As you can see, she has the blonde roots right here, and all of this left over is her old toner. I always tell my clients to never do purple shampoo about 3 weeks out of their appointment because I want all of this to fade as much as possible. So basically what's gonna happen is
Action.
action. What's gonna happen is once I start toning her, you don't wanna overlap that area because it's actually going to get darker in that area when you overtone. It's kind of like putting a tint on a window. It gets darker as you keep putting tints on it. So you wanna make sure you're not overlapping. And when I tone, I always start from where I started the bleach. Perfect consistency.
Well, aren't you cute? Add.
Good. Are you happy?
OMG. I love it.
You look so good. Let me see that root.